in downtown Chicago. They have heavy equipment pulling up all the time. Not this guy. Alright, you guys, so they've been doing all this demolition. They've been tearing up all this underground foundation. Well, now it's all broken up and they have to haul it out of here. So they just pulled off that dumpster right there. And it looks like they're loading that dumpster with rock. Maybe they're not. I have no idea what's going on here. He is loading the dumpster. Alright, we're at the site today, you guys. They're doing some excavation work. That is Alpine Demolition. They're excavating and then cleaning up what they excavated. So I got shots of all of that. Alright, I guess they loaded that truck and it's on its way. He was only here for like 30 minutes. Alright, so this is the roll-off. They just loaded with that with the stone that they excavated from underneath the sidewalk. And it's gone, but yes, there is aggregate showing up to be dropped off and then hauling off stuff they've torn up, but the equipment just moves through here all day long. I was not ready for that. Gotta drive around that pillar in the middle of the street. Hey man, take care. Alright you guys, so he's digging into the foundation where the stairs used to stand. This is also where the escalators are going in, so they really are digging in and pulling out any material that will be in their way for the rebuild. But this is, he just pulled out that giant piece of concrete right there. That piece of concrete just came out of that hole. They are unearthing all kinds of things. Now, I really thought he'd be bringing more buckets up, but so yeah, I mean, that's what they tore up. All kinds of bits of concrete and other things, but they have all this here now. They'll have to bring in a dumpster and load all that up and haul it away. I think I got some shots of that on the other side, but this is Alpine Demolition. So I've been chatting with these guys too. Yeah, this is just all prep work for the modernization project. All right, you guys, I'm reaching through the fence to get some shots here. I just got some shots on the other side looking at it, but they are excavating this hole and they will be backfilling it here in a little bit, but they're just about done. So that bigger excavator, that Kobelco SK130 that I shot the other day, that is still sitting over there. I was just told it wouldn't fit over here, so they're finished with it. It was supposed to be hauled away today, but it's still sitting there, so probably tomorrow we'll get that guy back here to take it away. All right, so this is another roll-off leaving. That is filled with all kinds of rock and material that they just dug up. But just gotta hold up traffic so they can roll through the intersection. That's the last one for the day. Now I gotta put the road closed sign back. State and Lake, you guys, downtown Chicago.